In this short tutorial, I will show you how you can delete your Among Us account. Deleting your account is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. Now, to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Among Us on your device. Now, go ahead and click on the settings button. Now, in here, go ahead and head over to the data section. Under the data section, you should be able to find that delete account button under the terms of use. So, as you can see in here, since I've signed in on Among Us using my Google account, I won't be able to delete my account on Among Us. So make sure that you're signed in to your Among Us account using the sign up method to be able to delete your account on Among Us. Since if you're using your Google account and it is connected to your Google Play account, you won't be able to delete your account on Among Us. And that is how you can simply delete your account on Among Us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. We'll see you in the next video.